dear students. This is Set Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, Vasai East, Palghar. Welcome to SSC Online Audio Video Lessons. Myself, Jyoti Shankar Shinde. I am teaching in Standard 6, subject Maths. Today we are going to see chapter number 9, that is SCF LCF part 3. Till now, in this chapter, we learn how to find out the common factors of given number. Then SCF, that is the highest common factor of given numbers. Today we are going to see how to find out lowest common multiple, that means LCM of given numbers. So let us start it. Let us learn lowest common multiple LCM. Write down the 3 times and 4 times tables. Now that a table has the multiples of a number arranged in serial order, which is the smallest number divisible by both 3 and 4. We find the lowest common multiple or the LCM useful for certain purpose in daily life. Can you find the greatest common multiple of some given numbers? Think about it. Rehana and Annie are making garlands of flowers. Both have to be given an equal number of flowers in their basket. Tai said, Rehana, you make garlands of 6 flowers each. Annie, you make garlands of 8 flowers each. What is the minimum number of flowers I should put in your baskets? Rehana said, I want flowers in multiple of 6. Annie said, I want them in multiples of 8. Multiple of 6 are the numbers that are divisible by 6, and they are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, etc. Multiples of 8 are numbers that are divisible by 8, and they are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, 104, and so on. The common multiples are 24, 48, 72, 96. Rehana said, Tai, if you gave each of us 24, 48, 72 or 96 flowers, we will both be able to make the garlands as you want. Annie said, you will have to give us at least 24 flowers. 24 is the lowest common multiple or LCM of 6 and 8. For example, find the LCM of 13 and 6. 13 times table 13, 26, 39, 52, 65, 78, 91, 104, 117, 130. Now 6 times tables 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 64, 42, 48, 54, 60. Here we see no common multiples. So let us extend the tables. Further numbers divisible by 13, 130, 143, 156 and so on. Further numbers divisible by 6, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84 and so on. Looking at the list of numbers divisible by 13 and 6, we see that 78 is the lowest common multiple. Therefore, the LCM of 13 and 6 is 78. Now I know the LCM of the two numbers cannot be bigger than their product. Think about it. Example: Praveen, Bhageshri, and Yash are the cousins who live in the same house. Praveen is an army officer. Bhageshri is studying in a medical college in another city. Yash lives in a nearby town in a hostel. Praveen can come home every 120 days. Bhageshri comes home every 45 days. And Yash every 30 days. All three of them left home at the same time on the 15th of June 2016. Their parents said, "We shall celebrate like a festival the day you all come home together." Mother asked, "Yash, what day will that be?" Yash said, "The number of days after which we come back together must be divisible by 30, 45, and 120. That means we shall be back together on the 10th of June next year. That will certainly be a festival for us." How did Yash find the answer? Now I know. The find the LCM of the given numbers. We write down the multiples of each of the given numbers and find the lowest of their common multiples. Now let us start solving practice set 25. First question. Find out the LCM of following numbers. First, 9, 15. Let us start solving this sum to find out the LCM of these given numbers. Multiples of 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, and so on. Multiples of 15: 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, and so on. The common multiples of 9 and 15 are 45, 90. The least common multiple is 45. Therefore, the answer, the LCM of 9 and 15 is 45. Second sum, 2, 3, and 5. Let us start solving this. Multiples of 2: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Multiples of 3: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on. Multiples of 5: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. The least common multiples is 30. Therefore, answer, the LCM of 2, 3, and 5 is 30. Third sum, 12, 28. The multiples of 12: 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144, 156, 168. The multiples of 28: 28, 56, 84, 112, 140, 168, and so on. The common multiples of 12 and 28 are 84, 168. The lowest common multiples is 84. Answer, the LCM of 12 and 28 is 84. Solve this home assignment in your maths notebook. Practice all the sums in your notebook. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.